How to fix too many friends on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix having too many friends on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is open up your Snapchat. Make sure that your Snapchat is up to date to the latest version. Now, as you can see, I do not have too many friends. I have just few friends and a group. And so what you'll do to remove some of your friends is that first head over to that very friend, tap on their Bitmoji, and after you do that, you will be on your friendship page. Now tap on the three dots on the top right, and after you do that, you should find an option called Manage Friendship. Now simply remove the friend. Tap on Remove Friend and you will unfriend that friend. So keep on doing that for lots and lots of other friends, and after you do that, you might want to update your Snapchat, and after you do that, your problem is fixed. All you have to do is unfriend many friends on Snapchat, and that is basically the fix for it. And that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.